Alright, we are at Customers Bank in Reading, and we got special guest Moses helping out. We got Xavier. Got this old guy in the back of the truck here, and we are starting to get stuff in. Look at that, look at those guns. This is gonna get, we might be done by noon with those muscles. Anyway, we're going in here, and you'll see we have an interesting little building space today. I'll show you when we get inside.
A few minutes later.
Coming from out here, coming around, and got a 4x6 pond here. Biofalls there, skimmer here, foam board to protect, and yeah, stay tuned.
5 minutes later.
We have the styrofoam board all around here, so we can put our underlayment. I put some sand on underlayment, and then we can rock right up against, so there isn't too much pressure between the rocks and that. And then we'll build this out here, and we'll run styrofoam board there too. Cut it so you can't see it, and it's gonna look beautiful.
A few moments later.
Alright, so that's the general idea. We would normally, if we're outside, be able to backfill up against that, but because we're inside, we need to build this up, put our liner in, and then kind of pinch it with other rocks on the inside that'll hold that and retain that whole thing.
1 hour later.
Alright, so built the outside rock wall here, and we've got our underlayment on, laying our rubber in, and we'll make our connections here and here. Rock the whole way around, make it look natural.
2 hours later.
Alright, this is where we are. Just foaming everything in, finishing everything off. This comes up and we'll get cut. So it's just rock pinched against rock, and it's gonna look pretty nice.
2,000 years later.
Okay, here we are. Fishies around. Where are we? Customers Bank? Maybe you should be a customer of Customers Bank. If you don't have this when you walk in your bank. Pretty nice. Pretty nice.
Do you like me? If you do, please say